Bills of materials or BOMs are critical to a company as it represents the parts or a parts list of the products that they build. An item is at the center of any PLM system. Manufacturing processes such as change management, new product development, and quality processes are all related to these items or part numbers. PLM system allows you to merge and manage this item information alongside the processes. Effectively managing the item's revision is crucial through the product's lifecycle. PLM will also manage BOM revision, configuration, and effectivity to later be consumed downstream in an ERP system. During the product development and manufacturing phases of a product lifecycle, changes will happen. Effectively managing these changes will reduce costs, errors, and improve quality, which will have a significant impact on your bottom line. A top CEO once said, "The most successful companies are the companies that can manage change well." Many companies still use paper documents, folders, and file cabinets for change management. In a lot of cases, the change management process isn't well known or defined in their organization. Inherent risks to this approach is the lack of checks and balances through the process, which can lead to ineffective changes, rework, and unnecessary downtime. Using PLM for change management will allow you to define, enforce, and continuously improve your change management processes. A PLM system should be able to provide a user the information regarding a change. This would include what we changed, why we changed it, and who approved these changes. This information is invaluable as companies design new products as well as manage their existing products. If your company is struggling managing items, bills of materials, and change management, contact us to schedule a consultation so that we can discuss these business challenges with you.